Our first business model canvas was with a customer segment on conventional travelers. The channels that we used was personal interviews on social media, Instagram, and the value proposition that when you are traveling to a new place, it's so difficult for you to find a place that matches with your interest. Second one, in our value proposition, we are trying to identify that factors that frustrate the experience of our tourists, like language, gastronomy, security, and transport, and we develop a more specific customer segment. In our third business model canvas, in our value proposition, we decided to focus only in one factor that frustrates the experience of our tourists, and that is the traffic. Also, we decide to use other channel that is telephone interview. For business model canvas, we decide to get a personal driver for our customers. Also, our cost structure was personal drivers at toll highway cars maintenance, and within that revenue stream is the demand personal driver. In our business model canvas that we decide is to redesign all of our projects. So the idea is to take it home the experience to visit new places from the city, but from their home, because as you know, we are living a difficult time that is the quarantine. So our customer segments is people who want to know new places, but uh, from the safety of their homes. Also, everything changes. For example, our revenue stream is a rental model per visit. Emotions that you feel during this process, this experience is like you are in a roller coaster emotions, because when you are on top, you say like, okay, I'm very excited, I'm very happy because this is my idea. But when you are trying to land it, it's very difficult, it's very frustrated, but nothing. You always get up and say, okay, we are trying again because this is our dream, and that's all. Experimentation and iteration, it's really really important, because you have to listen to your customer, you have to understand their environment, their feelings, their thoughts. And I feel that that you must do is to do a process that is a co-creation, and understand everything they want, to give them a solution that maybe solve their problems. Also, um, in this process you can make a mistake because it is experimentation, so it's okay, and you can go over and over. And finally, the skills that I think that I developed during this process was launching a product service, because I really put all my life trying to launch the landing page and understand everything like the pre-orders, the video, the design of the page. Also designing solution to customer problems, because I think that I'm really really creative and give them an innovate solution. And finally, the building finance model.